bankruptcy is going to affect your credit, future credit, in several different ways. First of all, everyone seems to have the impression that if you file a Chapter 7, for example, that you'll never get credit for the next 7 or 10 years. That's not the way it is. Believe it or not, you can get credit right after the bankruptcy is filed, but let me kind of explain to you the way that works. First of all, when you file the bankruptcy, it's going to show up on your credit report for up to 10 years under federal law. Many credit reporting agencies may take it off after 7, but can stay up to 10 years. Some people say, well, I'll never be able to get credit again for the next 7 or 10 years. No, you can actually get credit, generally speaking, about 3 to 4 months after you file the bankruptcy. You're going to get what's known as a discharge of debts and a final decree letter from the judge here in the Western District of North Carolina. And that is proof that the bankruptcy, in regard to Chapter 7, the debts have been wiped out and the case is over with. You can get pre-approved credit cards, you can go out and buy you a new car, you can get all kinds of credit, even buy you a new house. Now you're probably saying to yourself, now that sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? The catch is high interest rates. For the first year or two after you file, you're going to be paying some very high interest rates. You can get credit cards. The problem with credit cards are you're going to be paying probably anywhere from 25 to 35% interest rates on that. You can go out and buy you a new car. You may hear people advertise on TV. They said, you know, come see us, divorced, bankrupt, or whatever, we can get you a new car. The problem is, or the catch is, they will stick it to you on interest rates. You're going to pay very high interest rates, probably 18 to 22% interest rates. You will pay high interest rates for the first year or two after the bankruptcy is over with. After about 2 years, you would have started to reestablish your credit and your interest rate is going to start coming back down again. Normally speaking, after about 3 years, you're going to pay about the same interest rates as everybody else does that supposedly has good credit. Your creditors may still run the credit check on you and show the bankruptcy. But normally speaking, most creditors believe that after 2 or 3 years that you've kind of reestablished your credit and that you're no longer a risk for them, and they're probably going to give you credit at just what a normal person would pay. Generally speaking, that's the way Chapter 7 affects your future credit.